akin nang gustong mag-start ng home-based ticketing business. Kung ikaw ay may Android phone, mobile data, Wi-Fi o internet connection, pwede natin niyang dagdagan ng pagkakakitaan. Pwede ka na magsimula ng home-based ticketing business package at magkakaroon ka na ng system and your services offer are ticketing, remittance, bills payment, loading, and insurance. At ang inclusions ay free Malayan insurance worth of 100,000, marketing materials, flyers, and tarpaulin, at 30% sa lahat ng ating product and 24/7 customer support. And free trainings. What are the benefits? No cash ban, no quota, no expiration, lifetime business. At sana ay nakatulong ito sa inyo. And follow me at my Facebook, Nol Tandingan Mapalo, and to my TikTok, Nol Tandingan, and to my Instagram, me Nol. Thank you!